Parisa, what do you see? What do you see? This is softee ice cream truck. Do you want to go get the ice cream you want?
Yeah.
Go. Go. Fish for them. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We had to follow you. One day for 20 minutes I drove around looking for this because okay, let's go. Look. Go get your ice cream. Go get your ice cream. Which one do you want? Huh?
Green.
You want it in a cone?
Yeah.
Okay, you want vanilla in a cone?
Yeah.
Okay. And she has vanilla. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. Oh my God. Look. Oh my God. Did you say thank you? Say thank you. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
Thank you.
You made her wish come true.
Oh, good. I like when I do that. Bye.
Hey, you want to say bye? Marisa, say bye, ice cream truck. Bye. You want to go now? Let's go. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Your wish come true? Yes? Okay, let's